Sonance DSP amplifiers feature a built-in pink noise generator. The pink noise signal can be used in conjunction with a real-time analyzer to measure speaker and room characteristics. The Test Signal Select menu is used to select between the built-in pink noise generator or individual inputs on the amp. This is useful when utilizing a separate test signal generator connected to an input on the amp. The Volume menu is used to select the desired volume for the test signal. Note that this setting will not affect the overall output volume of the amp other than when the test signal is running. The On-Off setting can be used to toggle the pink noise on and off. Use caution when running pink noise at high volume for extended periods, as this can damage some speakers. Note that the pink noise generator is positioned after the audio sensory circuit. Therefore, if the amp's auto-on method is set to audio sense or voltage, pink noise may not be heard until the amp senses an input signal.